Okay, let's get right into it. Is white bread really the health villain everyone says it is?
You've definitely seen those scary headlines, right? The ones calling bread toxic thanks to some new study?
Well, a lot of that news comes from studies done on mice, not on people.
So, what happens when you look at the research on actual humans? The story completely changes.
See, in mice, the issue was brain inflammation. But in humans, it's all about our metabolism.
And that's the key takeaway. What happens in a lab mouse isn't what happens in your body.
To really get the human side of it, we need to look at the carbohydrate insulin model.
Now, this isn't anti-carb. It just shows how ultra-processing completely changes how our bodies react.
Here's how it plays out. You eat something like white bread, and your blood sugar skyrockets.
In response, your body releases a ton of insulin, which basically tells your fat cells to store those calories.
Then your blood sugar crashes, making you hungry all over again. It's a vicious cycle.
And white bread is basically the master of this whole metabolic trick. The human data really backs this up. Study reviews show a clear link between refined grains and weight gain.
Researchers point out that these foods can literally make you hungrier and better at storing fat.
It's pretty consistent. In one huge review, 4 out of 5 analyses found this connection.
So let's be clear. The villain isn't bread. It's what happens to bread during ultra-processing.
And this lines up with other research that links these kinds of foods to stuff like faster biological aging. So, the headlines miss the real story. It's about processing quality, not just a single ingredient.
And big credit to AllNutrition.info for providing the context that separates mouse studies from real human science.
So that leaves us with a question. What other food myths are actually just about processing?